Hi, so today I have a nice quick tension release exercise, particularly for tension that we hold in the back of the head, in the neck, in the jaw, in the shoulders, arms, and chest. So let's start by bringing one hand on top of the other like you're giving yourself a handshake. Holding your hands this way, we're going to shake them back and forth, but instead of just shaking, you want to try to release the back of your head. Let it just bounce back and forth. And we're going to add a little sound to help that release. So, shake your arms, release your jaw, and go. Letting go of the jaw, letting go of the back of the head. There you go. That's a funny one, isn't it? But it's a great way to release that tension and begin to bring more flow there. So it's more than just shaking your arms. You really want to let your head bounce, and the sound helps that release. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.